Hi everyone, welcome to Feeding Yourself. Today I'm going to show you a little trick with salsa that you take off the shelf. This is a mild pace salsa, and you always want to use a mild one. We're going to add some fresh ingredients to it and make it taste fantastic, but also it's very simple and can be scaled up to as big as you'd like to make it. So let's go ahead and get started. So there we have it. You can see how simple that is. And just remember, when you're making stuff for groups of people, you want to keep your flavors mild for the masses, and then you can do fire for the few. So you can put some hot peppers, jalapenos, scotch bonnets, or something like that on the side and let people add that, or hot sauce, and then they can make it however hot they want. But once you make it very hot, you can't make it unhot. So just take that little tip with you and enjoy. Have a great day.